Hey, welcome back. On this episode of our maintenance series, we're going to cover zipper care. There's a few different ways to maintain your zipper, but for this video, I'm going to focus on two. One's a DIY method, and the other's a more consumer-friendly technique with the use of this product called Zip Care. It's manufactured by a brand called McNett, but they also go by the name Gear Aid. So you can search for this on the internet and you'll find more information about it. If you neglect your zippers, you're risking the potential of your zipper seizing. I think I've mentioned it previous, but this is one of my original samples, which I've had for probably 2.5 to 3 years. I have never maintained the zipper, and I just noticed that it is getting quite stiff. I will work the top section here with the chapstick method. For the bottom, I'll use the Zip Care. Both of these methods are accomplishing the same thing. It's just two different ways to go at it. First thing I'm going to do is I have my damp cloth. I'm just going to wipe the zipper down. I have a toothbrush here, and you can use basically any kind of brush that you're comfortable using. Just kind of open up the area you want to work and just kind of clean between the teeth. So I'm going to take the damp brush and I'm just going to clean off any elements that might be lingering. So, and then I'm gonna take this Omni Brotherhood Mentor medicated stick. Might refer to it as chapstick. And I'm gonna rub it along the teeth here. And I'm gonna make sure that I don't get it too clumpy. You want it to spread on evenly. Try and get both sides. But this is basically just gonna act as a lubricant. Paraffin wax is another way to do this. I haven't tried it, but I guess candles do the same thing because I think they're made out of paraffin wax. And then we've got it on the chain. So we're gonna bring, you can see how stiff that is. So now we're just gonna work this in like this. So this corner is so much smoother already, but this corner is still a bit rough. So I'm gonna put some more here. Just try and smoothen that out. So there you go. It's a much smoother product. It's running much cleaner now. I'm gonna clean it up a bit though, just because I don't want the chapstick smearing on the back of my coat. That's the DIY method and we're done. So let's pull out the Zip Care. Now it's the same process, except the Zip Care has the brush built in. It's got a formula inside that I'm not 100% sure what it's actually made of, but it's some sort of lubricant. So the cap goes up, and when it's up, it'll release the liquid inside. So when you clean the teeth, you'll just want to keep it down so the liquid's not coming out. So again, we're going to do this for the bottom half. Brush the outside like this. Now you're probably not going to see this on camera, but I can see little particles, you know, in the air that are being released here. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna work it from the inside too. Agitate all the dirt in the teeth. So we've got that clean. I'm gonna take a rag again though and just kind of clean off any lingering dust. Now I'm gonna pop the cap. I'm gonna get my rag because I don't want the lubricant to spill out. So I'm going to start about there, brush it nicely. Okay, we're going to do the exact same thing and work the zipper. I don't know if this is coming across on camera, but the zipper is a lot smoother already. Now this lubricant is wet, unlike the chapstick was. So once it's all worked in, you'll want to let it dry for a few minutes. And then I'm going to take my cloth again and I'm just going to wipe off any excess. It's been drying for about a minute now. It certainly looks a lot nicer. It's definitely refreshed. Just do a quick zip and I'll let you know how much easier it is. So that right there is definitely an improvement to the state it previously was in. So I hope you can appreciate the fact that these zippers do not maintain themselves, and it's really important that you do maintain it. I just want to stress to people who work by the sea, people who work in deserts, if you're going to Red Bull Rampage, you definitely want to clean your zippers out after. Just anyone that's working in environments where there's a lot of airborne elements, you need to keep on top of your zippers. So anyhow, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or just email me directly, ian@shimodadesigns.com, and I'll do my best to help you out. We'll see you next time.